Great day, everyone! Welcome back again to Ramz tutorial. Today, guys, we're going to continue our lesson for today is all about finding percentage in a given problem. This is part 2. Remember, when we say percentage class, let us say first or find the exact definition with this. It is the result obtained when a number is being multiplied by a percent. And this is our formula. P is equal to B times R. That means to say P means is the percentage. B stands for R base. R stands for the rate. Okay? Percentage, base, and what we call the rate. This is our formula. We're going to use this formula, my dear viewers, in order to solve our problem. Let's proceed for our problem number 4. So this is part 2, my dear viewers. This is part 2. Okay, so let's proceed to number 4. Janina has 300 pesos. So when we see a PHP, my dear viewers, that is 300 pesos. She spent 70% for her school supplies. Okay, questions. I'm going to write. How much did she spend for school supplies? Okay, we're going to read the questions. Janina has 300 pesos. She spent 70% for her school supplies. Question: how much did she spend for her school supplies? It's a question mark. So now to find the answer, we're going to use our formula. P is equal to B times R. Our percentage equals to base multiplied to rate. Now let us find first the base. So in our given problem, the base here is 300 pesos. So we're going to write here, my dear viewers. Please follow, guys. So we have 300. Remember, use the formula. You are going to multiply that using a multiplication process or multiplication method. So multiply times 70%. What we are going to 70%, my dear viewers? Okay, come to think, my dear students. What happened to 70%? To multiply 70% to our base, so we are going to transform 70% to decimal form. Okay? So 70%, just like this. Please follow, guys. 0.70. Okay? This is the conversion to decimal form from present form to decimal form. Okay? Let's start multiplying with reverse. Please follow me. 0 times 0. So let's set for 0. 0 times 0. Step by step, my dear viewers. 3 times 0 is 0. Look at my dear students and my dear viewers. Next, second part, 0 times 7. So we're going to count 1, 2 here. We're going to put it, align it first. Next, 0 times 7 is 0. Remember, my dear viewers. And then the last part is we're going to touch 2, 3 being multiplied to 7. So what is 3 by 7? So we're going to write here our answer is 21. Now, what is next? We are going to add. sum up, my dear viewers. So to process here, the first process is multiplication, and the second process or method in solving this problem is you are going to apply addition techniques. Okay, we can sum up, my dear viewers. So bring down 3 zeros, bring down 1 and 2. Then next, remember, don't forget to count the decimal point. Let us count first. 1, 2. Our multiplier. 1, 2. Okay. So now this will be our answer. So we have first our choices here. I'm going to write first our choices. If our what we call solutions, if it is correct. Okay, I'm going to write first the choices here. We have letter A, 2, 1, 0. Letter B, 2, 2, 0. At first grade class, letter A, letter B. Next, letter C. We have 2, 3, 0. Letter D. We have 2, 4, 0. So choices are letter A, 210. Letter B, 220. Letter C, my dear viewers, is 230. And letter D is 240. Let us find it first our solution. The picture of this solve it is 210. Where is that? Letter A, my dear viewers. Okay? So again, how to solve it, teacher Ramz. Okay, by solving this class, you need to comprehend the questions. That is the most important one. You need to comprehend the questions. You need to understand what are the objectives. Because our objectives is class, okay, as we go further, we are going to identify the rate, the base, and the percentage to get the percentage form. So you have to think and come on that. Remember, when you do that, when you follow the process, of course your answer is automatically correct. I am right? Okay. Now, here is our solutions. So, that's your guide. Remember class. So get first the base, then multiply the rate. Remember, rate is in percentage form. But before that, before you multiply, my dear viewers, or my dear students, if you're watching now, please, if you are new here to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Ramz Tutorial Educational Channel. 70%, so you're going to transform it to decimal form, which is 0.70 or 0.70. So the answer, class, it's quite obvious, is correct. Okay, to process, class, is multiplication and addition form. Okay, so I will give you time first to copy or jot down our first or second part of our topic, finding percentage in a given problem. Okay, let us proceed for the second or number 5. Okay, we're going to respect my dear viewers, so please watch it and keep on subscribing to our tutorial video, my dear viewers. So let's first erase first our word so we can proceed to other what we call word problem, my dear viewers. Okay, so you can replay it if you want, and please subscribe and share it to your friends or maybe your classmates, my dear viewers. This topic is quarter 3, lesson 1 in third quarter in school year 2020 to 2021. I am right, my dear viewers? So we are going to proceed to our 5th part or number 5. This is the second part, remember, my dear viewers. If you can still remember, the first part is 1, 2, 3. So I need to get that, and of course I'm happy, my dear viewers, with your help. That's why I received my Google AdSense, and thanks for that. Okay, let's proceed to number 5. Okay, I'm going to jot down or write first the word problem so that you can identify the phrase, and I will give you time also to think it. A fruit vendor sold 35% of 640. What 640? Of course, my favorite fruits, mangoes. Questions? How many pieces of mangoes so okay, let's have first our problems. I'm going to write our choices here. We have letter E, 422, letter B, 242, letter C, 224, letter D, 244. Okay, that's our choices. We have letter A, 422, letter B, 242, letter C is 224, and letter D is 244. Now, same procedure, my dear viewers or my dear students, we're going to find it out the base. So our base here is 640. So let us solve first. 640, multiply the multiplication symbol to rate. Okay, which is in percentage form. So we're going to write 35% is equal to n. So this is the proper. So now let us solve first here, my dear viewers, on how to do that. Let us multiply here. 640 times 0.35. Let's start first here. 0 times 5 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Bring down 0, my dear viewers. So 2. 6 times 3 is 0 times 5 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20 again. So let's bring down 0 under group 2. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 2 is 32. Now next, 0 times 3 is 0. 4 times 3 is 12. Bring down 2, regroup 1 above 6. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1 is 19. So we're going to sum up. So let's have first here, we're going to write the answer here. 2 zeros. Here, my dear viewers, 2 plus 2 we have 4. 3 plus 9, that's 12. So we're going to write 2 here, then we group 1. So the answer here, we have inside the box. So let's count first the decimal point. Let us say first, from 5, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, that's our answer, class, in number 5. Again, a fruit vendor, remember, sold 35% of 640. What 640? Mangoes. Question, how many pieces of mangoes were sold? So we're asking. So based on our solution here, my dear viewers, so by solving the base and the rate, so it's obviously the result is 224. And what letter is that? 224. Okay, so letter C, my dear viewers, 224. Okay, I will give you time to copy first for our problem solving. Okay, let us proceed to the last part, my dear students. Hope you understand, and don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe, and of course to write down your comment to our section below. Feel free to ask my dear students, my dear subscribers, if you have any questions, so feel free to write to our comment section box. This will be the last word problem that we're going to solve it. So we're going to write do na scores 75% of 40. Mathematics. Okay, here are my dear viewers. So let's have first read it. Donna scores 75% out of 40 questions. So how many questions? 40 questions. So here in their first mathematics quiz, how many did she get right? Okay, how many did she get right? It means to say score out of 75% for 40 questions. Now, our choices: letter A, 30, letter B, 25, letter C, 20, letter D, 10. Now, to find it out, same procedure, my dear viewers. Base multiplies to rate. Let us solve it. First, your class. Here, let's see. First, we have jot down 41st times 2 rate 75% equals n. Now let us solve it. 40 times transform to decimal form 0.75. Let's solve it. So times 5 we have 0. So we have 20. 7 times 0 we have 0. 7 times 4 is 28. Now, sum up, my dear viewers, right? 2, 0, 2 plus 8, so we have 10, 1. So count the decimal point, 1, 2. So we have here our what we call the result. Okay? So the result is 30. So what letter is that, my dear viewers? So we have letter A. Okay, letter A, the result is 30. So out Donna scored 75% out of 40 questions. She got only 30 correct answers. Hope, my dear students, my dear subscribers or viewers, thank you for watching Ramz tutorial, and thank you for spending again your time with us, and see you on my next video. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it, like, and subscribe to Ramz tutorial educational channel. And again, thank you for always keep on boosting myself, of course, to enhance my skills, of course, to teach with you, my dear students. Once again, bye-bye!